Cleaning secrets for rental properties, the distinctive charm of Komffy Maids. Are you tired of constantly worrying about the cleanliness of your rental properties? Are you searching for a solution that will not only impress your tenants, but also make your life as a property manager easier? Look no further, because Komffy Maids has the answer you've been seeking. Imagine a rental property that consistently wows tenants with its impeccable cleanliness and presentation. Picture yourself no longer stressing about deep cleanings between occupants or fretting over the upkeep of your properties. What's our secret? It's simple. At Komffy Maids, we don't just clean. We transform. Our team of expert cleaners specializes in uncovering the hidden charm of your rental properties, leaving them sparkling clean and ready to impress. Between tenancies, our deep cleaning services ensure that every nook and cranny is meticulously cleaned and sanitized. From scrubbing bathrooms to dusting blinds and baseboards, we leave no stone unturned to restore your property to its pristine condition. So why settle for anything less than the best? Elevate the appeal of your rental properties and leave a lasting impression on tenants with Komffy Maids. Contact us today to unlock the hidden charm of your rental properties.